Hello, and a warm welcome to your Quintaum journey. We are very excited that you are here, and we really appreciate you taking the time to complete our survey. This session will help you understand why you are doing this, how it impacts your workplace experience, and most importantly, how easy it is to participate. Together, we'll ensure that your voice is heard, your data remains confidential, and that you learn the benefits you'll receive from participating. Before we dive into the survey, let's see what Quintaum is all about. Imagine your organisation as a ship sailing through turbulent seas. Without a strong and well-cared-for crew, that ship will struggle and won't reach its destination. Quintaum is here to ensure that everyone on board is working together, stays motivated, and feels valued for their work, especially in today's fast-changing business environment, which sometimes really does resemble stormy seas.
We specialize in helping teams thrive through improving workplace resilience, people's well-being, and organizational performance. To do that, we are focusing on what matters the most, from employee experience, mental health and life experience, to work-life balance, leadership effectiveness, change management, and growth potential.
Our survey is a key tool in this process. It usually takes between 20 to 50 minutes to complete and is designed to gather your honest feedback, because here your insights really matter. By sharing your thoughts, you're providing direct feedback to your managers on how to improve your workplace, and you are actively contributing to better leadership, company and team culture, and your own well-being. But don't worry, your honest responses are 100% confidential. Every participant uses a unique code, but rest assured, it's only for grouping responses, like for example based on your departments, and not for identifying individuals. This means we can analyse trends without compromising your privacy. Just remember to keep your code to yourself and not to share it with others. And please do not allow anyone other than you to complete the survey using your code.
You also have full control over how your results are shared. You can opt to keep your answers anonymous, with your responses contributing to the overall diagnostic, or you can allow managers or coaches to view your individual results to provide tailored support and improvements. So, at the end of the survey, you will be able to decide who you allow your results to be shared with, and it's entirely up to you. By completing the survey, you'll have an opportunity to receive a personalized report that offers insights into your own well-being, stress levels, and even how you compare to others in the organization. Want to receive it? Just provide your email at the end of the survey, and after everyone is finished, we'll send your report directly to you. Ready to start? In your email invitation, click the link to the survey, and don't forget to enter your code. We recommend you just copy and paste it from your invitation. Follow the instructions on each page and be intuitive and honest in your answers. You can take the survey in one sitting, or if needed, come back to it later using the same device and browser. The important thing is to finish it before the deadline. But why wait? We recommend completing it right after watching this video so it's still fresh in your mind.
Look out for any other important information in your email invitation. We've also included a music menu with recommendations to help you relax while completing the survey. So grab a cup of coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's embark on this journey. If you have any questions or run into any issues, do not hesitate to reach out. You can contact me directly at the email on the screen or simply reply to your survey invitation. We are here to help.
Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy being a part of the Quintum journey.